Good morning, Kentwood. I'm Jalen.
I'm Desmond Willis, and today's October 19th. We have exciting news to tell today about the month of October.
This week we'll have classes 1, 2, and 3 on Wednesday, and we'll have no conch time.
Free lunch will continue through December, so please apply for free and reduced lunch.
Sports. Are you interested in football this year? I know I am. I've been playing since freshman year. Well, if you want to join our annual teams meeting every Wednesday at 3:15, contact Coach Bush.
Conch for Success has finally started, so please email your counselor if you want to get help or get tutored in any classes.
Where my AP students at though? Guess what? Pay your exam fee. It's due Friday, November 6th. Here's the link to pay it. Did you know a person at Kentwood can help you with your technology problems even when you're at home? Well, guess what? Miss P, her name will be right here. Your email will be right here. And your team's meeting phone number will be right here. She can help you with that. Just contact her. Enough is enough, Kentwood. Black and Brown Summit will be held every Monday, each Monday in November. Clubs today. World Language has a meeting tomorrow. Make sure you attend.
Senior hoodies are available October 13th to the 25th of 2020. The cost is $30 for a small, medium, large, or extra large, and $35 for a 2XL or a 4XL. Conch TV is looking to feature Kentwood musical artists on our show. If you make music, mix music, or even sing, play musical instruments, or any music-related talents, please send us an MP3 of your songs, your name. We just may use your song as audio for Conch TV.
Owen Joe Russell, aka J. Russ, will be featuring his own music today. If you want more information on that, it'll be at the end of the episode.
Please DM us pictures of your pets in Halloween costumes by November 2nd to be featured on our next episode.
Here's pictures of our Kentwood Conch TV pets.
Kent schools and Conch TV are encouraging our student artists to turn in their art for October. Between today and October 31st, if you DM your Inktober, Halloween, or Phototober artwork to our Conch TV Instagram, you can be entered to win with 3 art prizes. The prizes include art supplies, canvases for you to create your own art, and more.
Hello there, Kentwood. Happy Halloween season. I'm here to let you know about Drawloween and Photober. So many things have been canceled this year due to the current state of our world is in right now, but that isn't going to stop you from creating masterpieces and art. Some of your fellow staff and students have sent us some of their pieces to be shared on this segment today, so why not take a look at them, shall we? Wow, that looks pretty good. If you're interested in Halloween and Photober this year, here is a prompt for things about it. If you want to send in your commissions and have them featured on Conch TV, send it to our Instagram at Kentwood Conch TV. Well, that's all from me, folks. I'll see you in the next one, and remember to stay spooky.
Leadership is planning our first Spirit Week this week before Halloween. This is a competition between each class, so the class with the most spirit can get featured on the next Conch TV episode.
Monday, Mascot Monday. Make sure to wear your mask.
Tuesday, Tasty Tuesday. Turn on your camera in your third period class to show off the food that you have made, or send in pics to our Instagram at Kentwood Conch.
Pet show and tell on Wednesday. Make sure to bring your pet and take a nice class photo.
Thursday, virtual background. Create a virtual background and show it off in the class.
Friday is Fall Fit Friday. Make sure to show off your fall fit.
Kentwood Leadership and ASB want ninth graders to get involved with ASB. If you're a freshman and want to be a part of the Kentwood Leadership team, applications are now available. The application will be due Friday by October 29th, so please check your email if you're interested. Kentwood will be having a virtual Veterans Day assembly this year, and we need your help. We are looking for an MC and a person who can sing the national anthem and songs for veterans and for Kentwood students. Please email kwleadership2020_21 for more details through Outlook.
That's it for today, Kentwood. It's great to be alive.
You know, I just laugh at the pain. It's been one hell of a story. You know, but we here, we made it. Yeah. Somebody help me with this pain. Yeah. A bad story to something happy. You just gotta believe, you feel me?